Hey folks, Jim with RawHyde here. And I want to propose an idea to the adventure riding community. And it's a business idea for any of us who have our own businesses but like to do this whole ADV thing. I'd like to post on the RawHyde website something that I would like to call the Moto Marketplace. And for any of us that have our own businesses, let's look at it as a bartering board and a place where adventure riders can go to find products and services that are offered by other adventure riders. Because here's the deal. It's so much more fulfilling and fun to do business with people that you have something in common with. And for those of us that do the whole ADV thing, we'd have lots to talk about if, for example, I could find a mechanic that was also an adventure rider and I bring my truck in for service. We would have a great animated discussion at the same time doing business. And I'm a firm believer, whenever RawHyde spends money, we try to do it within the community. For example, our good friend Dennis Godwin from Godwin Construction has done a bunch of our construction service work. The people who did the roofing on our building are adventure riders. RawHyde always tries to spend its money within the community, and I thought, why not try to expand this a little so that we can do business with people that we share things in common with. If you like that idea, or if you do have a business and you're an adventure rider and you'd like to get on our bulletin board, just send me a note directly at my RawHyde email address, which is jim@rawhide-offroad.com. And we will begin to assemble this. If you think that's a good idea, please just click the link below, send us a note, and let's get this started. So I think we'll call it the Moto Marketplace, and it will be on the RawHyde website. So I'm really curious to get a reaction from the community on this. So let me know what you think. Thanks for your time.